A landing page is just like a one-page web page. We can add a sign-up form to it. We can advertise something, such as an event, for example. We can show our products on it. And Mailchimp make it incredibly simple to create a landing page. Now, today's task is about creating a landing page with a sign-up form. So people visit the landing page, and then they can sign up to your audience. To create a landing page, we click Create, Landing Page. Call our landing page whatever we want to. Let's go Gary's landing page. You can call it whatever you want to. We select our audience. In other words, when they sign up for our, or use the sign up form on our landing page, into which audience will they be added? And click Begin. We select a starting point, just as we do with email marketing and so on in Mailchimp. I'm going to make this fairly simple, so let me just use this Grow Your List. Of course, you could spend some more time and do others, but I'll do this fairly quickly. Very familiar layout. We saw this when we created our email marketing. We could change colors and so on. Usually I would go into style and set my styles and so on, but just to speed things up, I'll just click on where Mailchimp says logo. I'm going to click replace, and I'll just find a logo that I can use, and I'll just use this one. So I'll just click on it in my Content Studio and click insert. There's my logo. Let's say I want to then add an image. Well, I can click blocks and I can add an image. I'll just drag and drop wherever I want an image to appear. I'll click upload an image, and I'm back in my Content Studio, so I can use any image I want to. I'll just choose this one. Click insert. Let me add some text. Okay, and I'll just click on this other block here, and let's change the text here. Sign up below and get awesome deals. Okay, and I'll just show that I can center this if I really want to. We can change the font. Let's change the font size to a bit bigger. Let's change the font color, for example, just to show that we can. Okay, you might want to put some more, and that's fine. Now, this here is a sign up form. In other words, signing up to our audience. So let's click on that, and we can select any other data that we want from our audience itself. We can even change the words, such as get news, and except we can change the confirmation message. And you can go through this, the style, the settings, etc., etc. I'm going to click Save and Close. Right, so that's how simple it is, really. So now, when a person comes to here, they'll enter the information and be added to my audience. Okay, so to make this live online, I click Save and Close. Wait for this to load up. Everything's looking good. If you really want to, I'm going to click Edit URL. If you really want to, you can connect up your domain, which you probably would want to do, and add your brand name. So for example, I mean, Uber, Airbnb, so many companies use landing pages, and they would typically connect their domain so that it looks as though it's on their website. Okay, but you can click Connect a Domain and do it that way. In this case, I'm just going to use a Mailchimp provided domain, and I could change the details, but I'll accept this and click Save. If you really, oh sorry, it's already been taken. There we go. So let's call this Gary's Landing Page 2. Click Save. Okay. Audience and tags. If I click Edit Audience, you at this stage could change to a different audience. You can even tag people right now if you want to that have signed up using this landing page. So let's click Publish to make it live. I'm going to click Publish, and this means make it live on the web. And there's the URL. So just to show you, I'm going to copy that, and let's just go to that URL very quickly. There we go. And there's the landing page, so people can now visit. So the second part of, or the second task, is to publicize this. You can really do this any way you want to. We could either take that URL, put it on email marketing and send it to people and say, enter your information. You might want to, if you've got a coffee shop, make a sign saying enter your, go here, enter your information to win something. You can share it on Twitter, on other social media. If you do want to share on your social media, you could just click create. For example, scroll down and click social post and share on Facebook, etc. That's up to you. That's how simple it is for landing pages, to create landing pages. Thanks for joining me.